Here's my Goodman heat pump again. I'm bored. And this is just a resemblance video. See how mine looks? It's from 2008. Yeah, I don't have a hole there. Don't ask where that came from. Theirs looks nearly identical. R22 systems like this. This is why I'm making a video. Let me see if the camera will focus. Don't do it no more. Focus. Dadgummit. But anyway, it says factory test pressure. It's low 150, high 300, so it's 150 over 300. Our 410A systems are, where that is right there, 500 low, 500, well, it's 500 even, I think, or it's 500, 200, I don't know, but they're pressurized harder. This is a heat pump. Has the HKR-10/10C heater coils. Heat strips, I wish they'd hush. Theirs has the exact same, I think hers is 10. I remember the temp star, which you can barely see from up here, that little smidge right there, had a 5. So yeah, okay, bye.